Yeah guys, welcome back to Chinny Jam Kitchen. So you know today, what we plan to do today, I feel sure all you guys what we're doing today. We're going to make punch for a change today. We have our ingredients, all our ingredients in front of us right now. So I want to tell you what we have here. So we have carrot, we have pumpkin, but we half boil it first. So we have peanut butter, mixed incense, vanilla incense, nutmeg, and cinnamon powder. Then we have our little molasses, and we're going to put a Guinness in it. If you don't drink alcohol, it don't must have to mix. Yes guys, so first thing you know, we have our blender here ready. So first we go put our nutmeg, because you know it kind of look coarse, so we want to blend it. Put it at the bottom. Right. We put our cinnamon powder because we don't want it to lump up, so we want to put it in the bottom that it could blend and combine with the other rest of ingredients. Yeah guys, so we're going to start blend. We have our oats here. I like to use oats, not my punch, you know, it gives a good body and you know. So let's start to blend. Right, and you know, could use the same cup because we're making the same thing, so I put some oats here. We're going to put our peanut butter. So we're going to blend. Yes guys, don't mind everything don't go in one time, but when we're done and mix, everything will combine together. We don't want to fill up our blender too much, but it will run our space. Guys, see we are throughout the first set. Yes, we go back again. We're doing the same thing, but here we have put some where we never put in there before. Our Guinness. Our vanilla incense, our mixed incense. Watch where I do careful, you know. Our mixed incense. We have some away molasses. You know molasses is good for all, yeah. So make sure you use a little molasses. If you don't have none, you could do, you know, but it's a good flavor. And we're going to put some more pumpkin and carrot. Some more our peanut butter. You know, if you don't have the raw peanut, you could use the peanut butter and our milk. We are going to blend again. See it, guys. Watch it. Right. This is how we make our punch. I'm going to put a little more. I did buy the milk to use. Let me use it out. So this is our finishing our punch. You notice it moving slow, real thick. And you know guys, the best way to do this is to put it in the fridge and make it cold by itself. You see when it's cold by itself, you go get that. And it just stays all in one. You know when you put ice in things sometimes it melt down and thing. But when you put this for cool by itself, you know one better. You really don't want better than this. If you ever meal, you might can't sleep. Yes. Good for man and woman too, you know. Yeah, but this strong juice. Yeah.
So good.
Yeah guys, as we come back to Chinejam Kitchen, you see our finishing of our punch here. We are going to have it with some mashed potato and brown and stew fish here. So, as you know, I like to taste my food. I ain't going to taste it this time I'm eating it. And sometimes you're there home and you feel like you want, where you feel like to eat, that way you cook. So, I'm just showing you how you could change up your meal and enjoy it. One mashed potato, carrot or fish, fry and stew fish. Now I tell you now that it tastes good. I know true I make cookie, but me I tell you it tastes good. I true me can't make you taste it, but it really tastes good. It tastes good. So, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this. This is an enjoyable meal. You see this punch? I'm not telling you no lie. You know, must eat good tonight because it's strong. It's good. When me say, you know, make you sleep, how strong it be to your body, it will make you feel good. Real good. Join us when you come back with the next video. In a Chinejam Kitchen.